Quotes are generated proposals for a job that can be performed for a prospective customer. These are sometimes called estimates. The firmness of the price can vary, and sometimes customers may use quotes to plan more fully. Quotes can be generated in several ways. You can generate a quote by going to any service request, clicking on that active service request, and creating a quote. Once you create the customer, which only takes a single click, you will automatically be taken to the quote screen to create that quote. You can also go to any of your customers and create a quote from there. First, give the quote a title. For example, you might enter pressure wash driveway. The quote may start out as a draft, so you can leave it in that status for now. If you have something that was provided, you can add it here. Next, add the line items. You can either add them manually by clicking here or choose from previous items, which will auto-complete from available options. This will pre-populate the item, description, quantity, and price you have used in the past, saving you time. You can always customize this. For example, if the area is 800 square feet and you want to add a discount, you can do this by percentage or a flat rate. For instance, add a flat $20 discount. After adding the discount, choose one of the available tax rates. The 7% tax rate is already set by default. If you want to add notes visible to the customer, you can add something like, by the end of this week. You can also add internal notes, which are not shown to the customer, to help you remember that the customer is considering a few options. When you're ready, hit Save Details. Now you have a draft, which you can send to the customer using the saved email and include a message such as, "Here is your quote." You can then change the status to "Waiting on customer response." You can also view this quote. This is the link that will be sent to the customer. The customer can see the notes and totals. From here, the customer can choose to approve the quote, request changes, or reject it. If they request changes, they can specify what changes they want, such as add a sidewalk as well. Then, hit Submit Request, and this will be sent to you as a notification. To check your notifications, you will see the notification when it comes in, and you can contact the customer, such as Monica, because of this. When you go back to this quote, you will now see that it says Requested Changes. Once you make the changes the customer requested, you can convert the quote to a job and get them on the schedule. This gives you an overview of how quotes work.